Good evening, students. How are you? All are fine. Okay. Have you done your homework? Good. In previous class, any doubt or any exercise in what we discussed in previous class? We discussing the exercise 2.4. Is it? Page number is 31. Is it? Yes. Okay. What you? Any doubt? Okay. Can we start today's lesson? Good. Okay. We are starting from question number 5. What is our question number 5 in exercise 2.4? That is, I read. Question is, what is question? Shobu's mother present age is 6 times Shobu's present age. And Shobu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? What are their present age? Is it? Yes. Can we start? That is, Shobu's mother age is 6 times Shobu's present age. That is, in this chapter, we every time we discuss the weight problem. So we want to waste. Now we are starting. That is, what is let Shobu's age is x. Let x be the age of Shobu's. Then what is the age of his mother? That is, mother age is 6x. Why I write like this? Because according to question, there is the reason. That is, in question, they say what is x. That is, Shobu's mother, present mother age is 6 times Shobu's age. When we take as Shobu's age as x, then mother age is 6x. 6x. Is it? Yes. That is, next is, what is after 5 years? That is, in question, Shobu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of 1/3 of his mother's age. That is what we can write x plus 5 after 5 years. That is 1/3 of his mother's age is equal. Is it? Yes. That is what x plus 5 equal to 6x by 3 plus 5 by 3. 6x by 3 plus 5 by 3. That is, we can write x plus 5 equal to 2x plus 5 by 3. 2x plus 5 by 3. That is, x is moving to left side or x is moving to right side. That is 5 by minus 5 by 3 equal to 2x minus x. That is, x equal to 10 by 3. X equal to 10 by 3. Is it? Is it? Is it? That is, when we give here, one mistake have we done. What is? Here is not x plus 5. Why? According to question, what? After 5 years, or I repeat, Shobu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother percentage. There is mother percentage. So these steps are wrong. So we rewrite, that is x plus 5 equal to x plus 5 equal to 2x. Is it? Can we write like this? Can we write like this? Is it? Yes. That is 5 equal to 2x minus x. That is x equal to 5. X equal to 5. That is, what is Shobu's age? 5. And mother age is 30. Why I get 30? Because 6 times 6 into 5, 30. So mother age is 30. That is, after 5 years we can take what is Shobu's age. That is, after 5 years Shobu's age is 10. That is 30 by 3 means, or 1 by 3 of 30 is 10. 1 by 3 of 30 is 10. So, yeah, answer for or solution for question number 5 is here. Is it? That is, let Shobu's age is x and mother age is 6x, and then we can take x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3 of 6 into x. That is x plus 5 equal to 2x. 5 equal to 2x minus x, that is x, we get x as 5. Is it? Yes. That is, what is our x? X means Shobu's age. What is our Shobu's mother age? 6x. That is 6 into 5, we get 30. We get 30. That is answer. Okay. Any doubt? This is solution for 5th one. And next one is 6th question. What is our 6th question? Sixth question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reversed for a school. In which place? There is a narrow rectangular plot reversed for a school in Mughal and village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11 is to 4. At the rate 100 rupees per meter, it will be cost of the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? We want to find the dimension of the plot. So, what is the answer? That is, what is the ratio of length and breadth? That is 11 is to 4. Is it? That is, 11 means length and 4 means breadth. Is it? When we take as dimension as x, we can write 11x equal to 4x. 11x equal is to 11x is to 4x. Is it? When we take as the dimension as x, we can write 11x is to 4x. So next, what we can do? What is the perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. That is here what? 2 into 11x plus 4x. That is what we get. 2 into 15x. That is we get 30x. We get 30x. Is it? Yes. That is next. What is the percent rupees? Is it? In question there is a at the rate of 100 rupees per meter. Sorry, cent, not meter. That is, here is perimeter is 30x centimeter. So what is the rate per meter? 100. Is it? Yes. Then what we get? That is, we get 3000 x equal to When we multiplied 100 by 30x, that is 3000 x equal to 75,000. That is x equal to 75,000 by 3000. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is, we can cancel. That is 75 by 3. That is 25. That is 25. That is the answer is 25. Is it? Yes. That is x is 25. Then what is the length? Length is 11x. That is 11 into 25. What we get? What is the answer? Sorry, here is meter. That is 275 meter. 275 meter. Is it? Length is 275 meter. And what is the breadth? What is the breadth? That is breadth is 100 meter. Breadth is 100 meter. Is it? Yes. That is the dimensions. That is length is 275 meter and breadth is 100 meter. Is it? Yes. And next one is for your homework. Seventh question is for your homework. Please write your homework in your notebook and finish the homework and find the solution for that. And next one is eighth question is what is our eighth question? Eighth question is half of a head of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pot. Find the number of deer in the red. Is it? We want to find the number of deers. Deers. Is it? Yes. And what is the conditions in questions? That is, I read one more time. That is half of a herd deer are grazing in the field and there are 4th of the remaining are playing nearby. At the rest 9 are drinking water from the pot. Find the number of deers in red. Is it? Yes. And just let we take water. What we take? Let x be the number of deers. And what is the conditions? That is what the number of deers grazing in the field is what? Half of number of deers. That is x by 2. What is the next condition? According to question, we can write what is the remaining deers. That is remaining deers means total number is x and grazing deers is x by 2. That is x minus x by 2. We get x by 2. Is it? That is, we can also write 2x minus x by 2. We can write x by 2. X by 2. Is it? And what is the next condition? The number of deers player nearby. That is there is what? The number of remaining playing nearby. What is the condition? What we can write? We take x as years, that is remaining years means x by 2, that is also, and 3/4 of the remaining, 3/4 of the remaining is playing games, that is we can also what we can write, playing games is 3/4 of remaining, that is 3 by 4 into x by 2, is it? Yes, that is what we can write, 3x by 8 dx are 8 dx are playing. And what is our next condition? Next condition is, what is our next condition is, number of drinking from the pond is 9. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is, we can write x minus x by 2 plus 3x by 8. 3x by 8 equal to 9. According to question, is it? I will just the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Is it? Yes. That is what we can write. That is, here we can solve the equation, that is x minus, here is we can get 8 as LCM, so 4x by 8 plus 3x by 8 equal to 9, equal to 9. And next one is, what is the next one? That is x minus 4x plus 3x means 7x by 8 equal to 9. That is 8x minus 7x all divided by 8 is 9. That is x equal to 9 into 8. We get 72. We get 72. That is, number of years is what? 72. Number of years is what? 72. That is, answer is 72. That is, we want to find the number of years, and when we apply this 72 by 2, we get 36. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. All conditions are satisfied. All conditions are satisfied. Is it? Yes. And next one is, ninth question is, this is our ninth question. Ninth question is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. That is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. I read one more time. That is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter, and he is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. That is, when we take x as, that is answer question number 9, x as doctor age, we can write 10x equal to 54 plus x. Is it? That is 10 times older, and there is also is 54 older than that grandfather. That is, what is the answer? What is the answer? That is, we get 10 10x minus x equal to 54. Equal to 54. That is 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 9 is 6. That is his grandfather, his granddaughter age is 6, and what is his grandfather age? 10x, that is 60. That is his age is, grandfather age is 60 and granddaughter age is 6. Is it? Yes, that is the solution for that. And next one is 10th question is, what is 10th question? That is for your homework. That is 7th and 10th are for your homework. So please write your homework in your notebook and finish or find the solution of that questions. Any doubt, contact me. And next one is, we are reducing equation to simpler form. We are reducing equation to simpler form. Okay, that is example 60. Example 60 means what? Solve 6x plus 1 by 3. 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1 whole divided by 3 equal to, and there is also plus 1 equal to x minus 3 by 6. X minus 3 by 6. Is it? Yes. That is what you get. That is, here for solving we take the LCM of denominators. That is, three into one into two, we get LCM as 6. So we multiply by LCM. That is, we multiply 6 by 6 on both sides. We get 6 into 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 6 into 1 equal to 6 into x minus 3 by 6. We can cancel 6 and 6, and here is we get 2. Is it? That is what we can write. 12x, is it? $12x plus 1, sorry, 12x plus 2, 12x plus 2 plus 6 equal to x minus 3. That is 2x is moving to left side. 2x minus x plus 8 equal to minus 3. That is x equal to minus 3 minus 8, we get minus 11. Minus 11, is it? Here is, sorry, here is 2 into 6x means here is 12x. This 12x, that is 11x. This x equal to, here is 2 into x is not 2 into 6x. 2 into 6x, that is 11x equal to negative 11. This x is negative 1. X is negative 1. Answer is negative 1. Is it? Yes. And when we giving x in equation, we get the same answer. That is 6x plus, what is our question? 6x plus 1 by 3. What is our LHS? 6x plus 1, that is what is our RHS? RHS is x minus 3 by x minus 3 by x minus 3 by 6. Here is LHS is by 3 and plus 1. What is our LHS? 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So what we can write? That is, we can write we get x as negative 1, 6 into negative 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is we get negative 6, negative 6 plus 1, negative 5 by 3 plus 1, that is negative 5 by negative 2 by 3, negative 2 by 3. What is our RHS? RHS means RHS equal to what is RHS equal to x minus 3 6, that is x is negative 1, that is negative 4 by 6, we can simplify negative 2 by 3. This RHS and LHS are same, is it? Yes, is same, is it? Yes. That is, next one is solve 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2. Five x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Is it? Yes. That is, we can write, when we open the bracket, 5x minus 2 into 2x, 4x plus 14. Is it? 5x minus 4x plus 14. That is, here we get 6x minus 2 plus 2 by, sorry, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. That is, here 5x minus 4x, x plus 14 equal to 6x minus, that is, here we can add 4 by 2 plus 7 by 2. When we take the LCM, we get 2 as LCM, that is 6x minus 11 by 2. That is, when we move to left side, that is 14 plus 11 by 2 equal to 6x minus 8. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, next what we can write? Next what we can write? Here is what is? Here is what? When we take, here is not 11, that is negative 4, that is we get, what we get here, we take as 2, so here we get 11 by 2, so here is negative 2, that is 4, negative 4 plus 7 by 2, that is, next Next one is 6x minus plus 3 by 2. When we add negative 4 plus 7, we get plus 3. So next step is 14 minus 3 by 2 equal to 6x minus x. 6x minus x. Is it? Yes. That is 28 minus 3 by 2 is 5x. That is 25 by 2 equal to 5x. What is the answer? That is x equal to 25 by 2 whole divided by 5. That is 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. That is what we can write. 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. What we get? 25 by 2 into what we get? That is we get 25 by 10. That is when we divide, simplify by 5, we get 5 by 2. We get 5 by 2. When we give the values in left side and right side, we get the same answer. We can check. X is 5 by 2. And what is our question? 5x minus LHS is 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7. Is it? Yes. That is when we give 5 into 5 by 2 minus 2 into 5 by 2 minus 7. We get 25 by 2 minus. Here we can cancel. We get minus 2 plus 6. That is 25 plus 12 divided by 2. That is 2. Here 2 into 6 we get 12. That is 37 by 2. Is it 37 by? Here is 5 and here is no 6. Here is mistake. That is minus 2. Here is 2 into cancelling. 5 minus 7 we get minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. That is 25 plus 4 into 2 whole divided by 2. 25 plus 8 by 2. That is 33 by 8. That is 33 by 8. What is the RHS? RHS is what? 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Is it? Yes. Plus 7 by 2. We can apply the value. X is 5 by 2. That is 2 into 3 into 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 7 by 2. That is we can 15 by 2 into 15 by 2 minus 2 plus 7 by 2. That is we cancel. That is 13 plus 7 by 2. 13 by 7 by 2. That is 26 plus 7 whole divided by 2. That is we get 33 by 2. Sorry, here is 2, and when we get what is our RHS? 2 into 3 by 2 into, here is not 33 by 8, here is 2. That is our denominator is 2. So the 25 plus 8 is 33, 33 by 2, and RHS is 33 by 2. LHS and RHS are same, is it? Yes, we get the same answer. We get the same answer. LHS and RHS are same, is it? Yes. And next we are going to discuss about exercise 2.5. We are going to discuss exercise 2.5. Page number is 33. Page number is 33. That is x by 2 minus 1 by 5. Solve the following equation: x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x minus x by 3 plus 1 by 4. X by 3 plus 1 by 4. That is, we can write x by 2 minus x by 3 equal to, we are moving x by 3 to left side, so we can write x by 2 minus x by 3. So, and also 1 by 5 is moving to right side, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. That is, here is negative, that is moving to right side, then we get positive. That is, when we take the LCM 6, that is 3x by 6 minus 2x by 6. We get, here also we get the LCM as 20, that is 5 by 20 plus 4 by 20. That is, what is the answer? 5 by 20 plus 4 by 20, and here also 6 upon 3x minus 2x, 3x minus 2x equal to 20 upon 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, and we get x by 6 equal to 9 by 20. We get x by 6 equal to 9 by 20, is it? Yes. And what will be next? That is, we want to find x. So x equal to 9 by 20 into 6. Here is division is going to right side. That is, we get 54 by 20. 54 by 20. And also we can make what? Simplification, that is 54 by 20 means 27 by 10. We simplified both the common factor, we taken as 2, we get what we get? We get 27 by 10. That is, value of x is 27 by 10. And second one is, what is our second one? And we can also check the value x in left side and right side. That is, our left side is what? X by 2. Is it? Yes, we can check. That is, when we give 27 by 10 whole divided by 2 minus 1 by 5. That is 27 by 20 minus 1 by 5. That is, here is 20 is LCM, so we can write 27 by 20 minus 4 by 20. That is 23 by 20. 23 by 20. What is our RHS? What is our RHS? That is x by 3 plus 1 by 4. That is, what is our x? 27 by 10 by 3 plus 1 by 4. That is 27 by 30 plus 1 by 4. We can take LCM, but LCM is that is 60 is LCM, that is 60 upon 54 plus what is 15 by 60. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. And then what we get? What we get? We can also get 54 plus 15, that is 69 by 60. That is, we can write 23 by 20 when we simplify. That is LHS and RHS are same. Is it? Yes. And next one question is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n equal to 6. Is it? We want to find the value of n. That is n by 2 minus second question, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 and plus 5n by 6. Is it? Yes, equal to 21. That is, what is the LCM? That is, we can take LCM 4, 2, 6, 2, 2, 1, 3. Is it? Yes, that is 12 is the LCM. That is 12 upon 6 and minus 9n by 12 plus 15 n by 10 n by 12. 9n by 12 plus 10n by 12 equal to 21. That is 12 upon 6n minus 9n plus 10n. That is 21. Here what we get? 5n. That is 5n by 12 equal to 21. That is 5n equal to 21 into 12. What is the answer? 21 into 12. 21 into 12. What is we get? That is 2, 4, 1, 2. That is 2, 5, 252. Is it? 252. That is, here is, when we take 6 n minus 9n, we get negative 3. So here is not 5n, that is, here is 7n. Is it? Yes. That is 7. That is 252. We can divide 252 by 7. Is it? What is answer? 3, 21. That is n is, what is n is 6. N is 6. N is 36. Value of n is 36. That is, value of n is 36. We can put the values in equation. That is, first equation is n by 2, 36 by 2 minus, what is next one? 3n. 3 into 36 by 4, and what is next? 5n plus 5 into 36 by what? 6. What we get? That is 36 by 2 means 18 minus 3 into 9. 36 by 4 means 9, 3 into 9, 27 plus 30. That is, we can add 48 minus 27. We get answer 21. That is, LHS and RHS are same. Okay, and third question is for your homework. Third and fourth are for your homework. Write your homework in your notebook and find the solution. And I wish you a good day. Thank you.